Good morning and welcome back. So today is the day, first Crazy Young Bird race. We are from Wetherby, which is about 60 miles from me. The birds went up at 10:10. It's supposed to be an early lib, but there's cloud cover on site. So we're in group 4 and we went up at 10:10. So it's now 25 to 11, so they've been in the air about 20 minutes and a few. Roughly they usually take about 1 hour 4 minutes to 1 hour 8 minutes, so 64 minutes, 68 minutes is what they're usually talking for this one. I've sent 29 all out of this section, my daughter's section in here. So I've sent everything from here and 2 out of I'm trying to get you around here, and 2 out of my section from over there. So right, so it's a little bit early, so hopefully I'll bring you back and it should go, fingers crossed, according to plan. Not the biggest turnout for the first race. There's only 4 members in my club sent, and there's only 73 birds I've sent away, which is not a great huge amount, and I've got 29 of them. Well, my daughter has, so one can only see what happens. Obviously the numbers will increase as we get a few more weeks down the belt, and then it should be a bit better fun racing. But I just seen a batch about 10 minutes ago go over to the right of us. I'll just flip you back over. So about just there's a massive batch come flopping through there of about 200 or 300. So they could be from the Thirsk group, because they're at group 1's at Thirsk. So if that's the case, I mean, we should see a bit of action. But then again, fingers crossed. So I'll bring you back to when it's closer to the time. Not sure if you can see this, how it'll turn out on the camera, but weather's turned really cloudy, like black. Bit luck the rain will hold off though. They've been coming back through training and a lot worse, like, but still not ideal. Right, I've brought you back. It's 11:10, so they've been up an hour now. So with a bit luck, within the next 4 to 5 minutes, we might get a bit of action. They have did this for us before in 59 minutes, about 57 and 59 minutes, but that wasn't the first Wetherby. They're usually averaging around about the 64 minutes. 67, 68. But bit luck, I'll get a few batches together. Come on, come on. Stop. Flock of stars. Well, we've got one. And it's me poorer.
Is it?
Had a funny feeling he would be thereabouts. He'd be the first one back.
Never brought a few more with him.
Eh?
I'm saying, could he never brought a few more with him?
No, he's just dropped away from what he's done. He's just said, I'm not hanging about there. He did it the other night. Come back in his hand. I just knocked the video off there to ring a mate to tell him I had one. We've just had another 2 drop in. So we've got 3 back. There's a nice batch just gone over and all, so they managed to pull out before they went over. I think it broke up early. There's no big batches coming out. There's one batch went over there, but last year we had a huge batch come over the front of us here. So it was a case of we blow a whistle and 7 or 8 dropped out. But it seems to be this year there was a batch just gone out. There's another one here. Come on, go on! Go on, go on! Go on! Go on! Go on, boy! Go on, go on! Go on, in you get, in you get! Go on, in you get, 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 go on! Go on, go on! Go on! They've gone hour. Looks like they've gone over today, like maybe a little bit too far in that way. Go on! See? That was a seagull. I'll tell you what a video. My daughter isn't with us today. I've got a complete newbie on the camera catching the trapping. So she's just been videoing a seagull. But the extra for me shouting for starlings. So. Here we go. You are. Up. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. In you get. In you get. Go on. 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 it came well.
Can't see them, and just there.
Oh, that's it. You do have to pay on you. That's why you got to be scanning all the time.
I was a bit slow on the camera there.
Not sure how many of these we're going to catch, but we'll try and catch as many as we can. And I was hoping for a big batch of about 10 or 12 to come and drop in, but that's not happening. Go on. This is it. Get it. Get it. You shouldn't even be out. Go on, get it. Get it. Go on. Well, we've got 6, so good enough start. But it'll be over now, because that's, like you say, everybody will have them now. So with the sheet and the fed sheet before. Alison, come in straight front here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Go on, go on. Go on. Go on, in again. In again. Go on, in again. Go on, in again. Go on. Go on, in again. Go on, in again. Go on, in again. Go on, there you go. Go on, go on. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Go on, in again, in again. Go on, in again. Go on, in again. Go on, in again. Yeah. I'm looking forward, but I think they've been pulled over. There must be maybe a few too many birds in the rest of the section. And they've pulled them maybe a little bit, maybe a mile or so, maybe further inland than I would have liked. Everything seems to be coming back over the tops. So it is what it is. They've been up there behind us more times than they've been down that side. So that's a good thing. They know what's going on up there. Right, well, it's been 15 minutes at least. I think you've seen enough of the trapping, and you want to drag this out so it gets a bit too boring. So what we'll do now is I'll just concentrate on trapping and get some video footage of the trapping if we get anything else back.
Here's another one.
Go on, in again, in again. Go on, go on. Go on. Go on. Go on, in again, in again. Go on, in again. Go on, in again. Go on, in again, in again. Go on, in again. it.
Go on.